guys, this is amazing. I love it.
Pulling up, no Pirellis. Me and my girls, we hopping out them foreign things. Prime time.
What's up, pretty girl gang? It's Princess Layah. I'm back with another video. So today, as you guys can see by the title, I'm doing a review on a company called SHAPELLX, and they are a body shaper company. So today they sent me a wonderful package. Oh my god, I'm so excited to open it. I feel like this couldn't come at no better time because, as y'all know, I am definitely into my body. I'm working out, losing weight, staying fit. This is just a perfect addition to my regimen. Y'all know I wear waist trainers and things like that. Before we get into the video, make sure to subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell so y'all get my videos as soon as I drop. Make sure y'all also follow me on Instagram at IamPrincessLayah because I'm also going to be uploading some amazing photos, so make sure y'all stay tuned for that. With that being said, let's go ahead and get into the details of the video. So as y'all can see, it comes in a wonderful package, very cute. I feel like it's very compact. It fits the product very, very well. It's a shapewear item, so they have their logo, a new way to shape, and I feel like this is just gonna snatch in all the right places. One thing that I want to say is this company does provide shapewear from sizes extra small all the way up until 6XL. So girl, whether you small, whether you big, whether you thick, whatever, they got something for each and every size. So make sure y'all check that out. Ooh, hold up. So when I open it, I got the high-waisted shaper shorts, and it says always the best seamless comfort line, and it reduces abdomen, back, and legs. So look beautiful, feel beautiful, confidence comes from within. Let this firm shapewear for women give you the figure you want and start feeling as beautiful as you look. Now this does come in nude, black, and I believe gray, and this particular garment actually comes from sizes extra small all the way to 4XL. And it's also good for post-op treatments in case you just got out of surgery and you want something, you know, to kind of like keep everything in addition to your faja. Of course, I don't recommend just wearing, you know, anything that your doctor, if your doctor's telling you to wear your faja, but as you start to progress into, you know, your stage 2 or stage 3 and you feel more comfortable in wearing other shapewear, I feel like this will be a great fit. So let me go ahead and turn it over because there's more to know. So there's an adjustable and detachable straps. The length of the straps and buckle closure can be adjusted according to the body characteristics of each person. So I feel like it's more so of it's an adjustable fit, so that's very convenient. So it's a powerful abdomen reduction, which I cannot wait to try. A piece of elastic fabric is fitted on the inner side of the abdomen to enhance the abdomen control effect. So it looks like it has been a lot of technology put into this item, although the item is very, very lightweight, and I feel like it's something that I feel like is seamless and nobody really would be able to tell that you're wearing it. So that's why I can't wait to try it on. Oh my god. Okay, and this is the butt part. So make the buttocks plump. The mesh around the hips is breathable and sexy, which can accommodate the large hips and shape the hourglass figure, because you know your girl gotta be snatched. Okay, so it does have the butt lifting effect. It does have the abdomen reduction effect, which is what we want. It has the nylon and spandex fabrics, and I believe that is the way that they're able to you know, accomplish the whole like shape. So it has tummy, waist, and back coverage. This shapewear for women gives you all the control you desire. Step out each day with a smile. Your curves are working for you now, girl. Stays unseen and discreet. So that's exactly what I was talking about. Keep your shapewear shorts for your eyes only, thanks to the seamless design that keeps things silently unseen to everyone but you. So girl, only you know that you're wearing this, girl. You ain't even gotta tell nobody. It's like I said, it's very, very thin, so I believe like even when you're hugging somebody or somebody's touching you in those areas, they probably won't even be able to tell, girl. They probably just think you just snatched and you tight and you right in those areas. So I just feel like this is so amazing. It says every one of our shapewear shorts comes with a no-slip silicone strip crafted to prevent rolling. So there's no like roll downs, which is amazing, because usually when I have like waist shaper shorts and things like that, there's always some roll down, especially when I'm sitting down. So I feel like this is going to be amazing. If this does happen, it can actually be stopped by placing the bra over the top or by trying a different size. So I'm guessing that means it's either too small or too big. So if that's the case, you guys might want to just contact them and let them know that you need a different size. And then also it says, general warning, if any discomfort is present while you're using our product, immediately discontinue and consult your physician. it is recommended to place underwear products within 3 months. Definitely. I never recommend trying products, and if they're uncomfortable for you, like pushing it. Like if it's uncomfortable, girl, try something else, try another product. This is not the product for you. But I just believe in my soul that this is gonna be amazing, and I'm about to try it on, girl. Oh my god, I believe I got a size, let's see, what size did I get? It doesn't say what size it is in the inside, but I'm gonna find out because I know. Okay, I got a medium large, so it does tell you the size inside of the item. I'm about to go ahead and put this on. Oh, it looks like it's gonna be tight, but I can't wait. So I'm about to go ahead and put it on. I'll be right back. Y'all, I don't know if I can fit. Oh shit, hold up now. I think it's too small. No, it's not supposed to go like this. Okay, we're gonna get her on. We're gonna get her on. Oh shit. It's just the booty. It's too big. Whew, okay. Had to get it over that hip. Hips. Okay. Oh yeah, there we go. That's how we do it. Whew. Okay, you guys, so if you guys didn't hear me, I did leave the audio in just so you guys can hear how much I struggled to get in this, but I feel like this is actually the perfect size. I feel like going forward, it probably won't be as hard to get into. I feel like, you know, whenever you break into a product, it is a bit stressful, but I did get into it. This is how it looks on me, and I feel like, ooh, it is perfect. Oh my god. Guys, this is amazing. I love it. So this is how it looks. It's super comfortable. I feel like there is a little roll down. There is a little roll down. But wow, girl, hold up. Wait a minute. Ooh, I love this. Okay, I didn't adjust the straps, but the straps, or I didn't attach the straps, but the straps actually help with the roll down. I probably won't ever wear the straps just because I don't want to feel too constrained in this. Not to say that it's like constraining me now or that it's uncomfortable, whatever case may be. I just feel like something like this, I will only wear, I will really only wear it like this. Like, I don't feel like I need straps. However, I don't like the roll down, so I'm probably gonna end up trying, and they do have like an extra adjustable. I'm not exactly sure what this is for. I believe, it could be just like an extension of it. But if you do want to adjust the straps or apply the straps, there are hooks. There are hooks right here in the front and in the back. So you would just hook it in on this side and then hook it on the other side to the back. So I'm gonna do that right now. So that was very, very easy. 1 2 1 2, and then you just pull it up like that. Which, like I said, I probably won't wear it like this, but I love the fact that the straps are skinny and thin and not thick, because usually with waist trainers and fajas and things like that, you get like a really thick strap, like, and it shows in all of your clothing. I don't like that. But I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna do this side. Boom. And then you can of course adjust it if you need it to be tighter. I feel like this is actually the perfect adjustment for me, but this is how it looks with the straps, and I actually really, really love this. This is super, super comfortable, super cute. Like I said, I did struggle to get in it, but girl, thick girls like me, it's gonna take a bit of tussle to get into items that you want to fit snug like this. And it was more so around my leg area and my hips. Like once I got it over my legs and my hips, I was able to really see, like really get it to fit on. But you guys, this is so freaking cute. I'm actually gonna put on an outfit and see how it looks. 1 second. Oh my god, oh my freaking gosh. So this is an outfit that I recently bought, and it even helps in my boob. Oh, what? Look at how my boobs is sitting up like I got a little boob job, girl. Stop playing. But this is how it looks with the outfit that I have. And it's not too, like, only thing that I probably don't like, because I do have thick thighs, is you can actually see like the crease right here, and like it kind of bubbles where, you know, my butt actually hangs out at. But I believe maybe if I pull it down, you probably won't really see it. But this is how I look in my outfit. Oh my gosh, girl. It's definitely seamless. It's comfortable. I love it. Oh my god, thank y'all so much for sending me this. Like, I feel like it's just so perfect. So if you guys want to get this product, I'm gonna list everything below. You get a 15% off discount with my code Blasian20. So make sure you guys shop with SHAPELLX, you guys. Oh my god, I swear you guys will not regret it. And I'm not just saying it because they sent me this item. Like, whenever I do reviews on something, I always give my honest review, and I always try to find a way to see how it fits into my lifestyle. And I just feel like this is a perfect fit, and it's something that I'm going to be using a lot, okay? And yeah, so if you guys have any questions, make sure you comment below. Let me know, girl. Let me know. For all the girls that want to know, hit me up in the DMs on Instagram. Ooh, and I can move in it. See how I can move in it? Yeah. I love it. All right, you guys, I love you guys so much, and I'll see y'all in my next freaking video.
Pretty girl gang. Pretty girl gang. If you are not bad and don't get it back, then you cannot sit with us. Let me hear you say, pretty girl